we're not staying in here. I'm not sitting down in my chair, and I'm not even wrapped up in my house coat because it is cold in here, and that's why it's on. But we're not staying in here. I was just out there sitting by the pool with Kenny because it's nice out there, and he's gonna go down there and pick some of his. I can't believe they're ready. There's some that are ready, I guess, of those muscadines at his vineyard, and I'm gonna take y'all around a little other places. There's some place around the pool and stuff where he's done a little bit of artwork. Y'all don't know this about Kenny, but he's an artist. He's done some big murals in our town for some businesses and stuff, and he really is an artist. And what's out here is not, incredible, but it is incredible, but it's just cutesy stuff, that he can do. He can do some beautiful stuff. Hunter got it from Kenny, not from me. There's nothing. I can't even make a stick man. I can draw a stick man, but anyway, I've got my Leone ready. There's a delicate balance between knowing that a lot of y'all that see me every morning or on here know me and follow me, and you may be brand new. This may be the first time you ever saw me, or you saw me yesterday and you think, what is she drinking? So I hate to always say what I'm drinking, but I'm always drinking an Alani or some energy drink, and I put Chobani sweet cream in it, and it makes it taste like a float, y'all. I just put a little splash, sometimes a little more than a splash, but anyway. So I've got, and lime is my favorite. Everyone knows that. Lime is a limited edition, or it wasn't limited edition, it was seasonal, I guess, and so they're not, so if you can't find it, it's because they're not really making it right now. But anyway, another limited edition / seasonal is this one, which I have never had, Witch's Brew, which is my daughter's favorite. She brought this to me yesterday. My mouth is watering because I don't drink these things for energy. I drink them because I love the taste of them, period. If there was not a drop of energy in them, because y'all know I don't need it, I'd still be drinking it. But this is supposedly caramel apple, and they only have it during this time of the year. Like it's Halloween kind of situation. It's called Witch's Brew. And there's another one, which is apple something, and I don't know. But people say it tastes like apple juice, and I'm not an apple juice girl, so I don't know if I like that one. But anyway, shut up and taste it, and let's go outside. I'm gonna taste it before I pour it in here because I'm not positive. I like it. I do like it, but I don't love it. I don't love it because I'm not an apple girl. I don't love that. I'm gonna save that for her. She'll be here in a minute, and she'll drink that one. It's a little bit tart and sour, whereas the lime, you would think the lime is, and it's not. This tastes like a green Skittle. That's what this tastes like, okay? It's not sour. So mixing it with this cream tastes like a key lime pie float. That's what it tastes like, y'all, and it's delicious. All right, I'm sticking with what I love. That was good. That Witch's Brew is good. It is good. It is. Y'all will love it. If you like sour apple, caramel apple, you'll love it. It's just not for me. Cheers. Let's go check out the vineyard. Okay. The first thing I'm going to show y'all is some of the things that Kenny drew to put on the pool. That's Kenny's shop where he does his woodworking, and he's building a deer stand. Y'all look at his deer stand over there. Okay, first of all, he did this. He does woodworking, so he just cut all that out, and it's kind of raised, and there's lights behind it, so at night it's lit up kind of pink. And then he did this little frog. Isn't he cute? He didn't have a name. We need a name for him. Y'all tell me a name for him. And then he did this. He calls this his Picasso over here. What in the world? Isn't that funny? Anyway, that's all he's, well, there's more up there on the deck at the sip and dip. We're going to take the long way down to the vineyard. Y'all walk with me. That's the well. That's his little boat pier that he put his boats under there. Let's see. He's got a little pirogue. I see his little boat down there. And there's an alligator, y'all. That scared y'all, didn't I? That's Freddy, and he ain't real. That's the back of the pool. He's walking. The reason why I say we're coming down here is because he said he's going to get him a bucket. He's going to pick him some. He's not making any wine right now. They have to be all done so he can get big buckets to do the wine. But and he'll be eating them, not me. I don't eat those things. I'm gonna set my drink down here on this swing because it's freezing my hand off. This is Hunter's swing, y'all. If you know, you know. This boy, when he lived with us when he came back from Dallas for a little while till he found his house, but he was on the swing 24/7. There was actually a walkway from our house to the swing. I mean, literally, he beat down the grass to come down here. All right, we're at the vineyard, y'all. Look at this boy picking these things. All right, there's a bunch of them that are still green. There's just tons and tons and tons of them, y'all. I've already showed y'all this. But it's hard to see with all these leaves, but these are muscadines, if you don't know. You want me to pick them? If they're dark? Oh, look how many he's already got. Did you just do this just now? Oh my goodness. Do y'all see them in here? You got to get them before the animals get them. Dang, babe. Do y'all see? There's just tons of them.
Got to get them before the possum.
Before the possum. He's got a possum. Look at that. You gonna make some wine with that, or you just...
Well, unless you want to make jelly or whatever.
I don't know how to make jelly.
I thought you was a professional chef.
Well, that's what you get for thinking when you ain't used to it, buddy. There's tons of them. There's everywhere. Okay, these down here on this end, they're look, y'all, they're ready. These are ready. They're everywhere. Anyway. Yeah, no, I don't think I can do jelly. All right, y'all. Well, that's it. There's tons of them. I gotta sit here and let them. I just showed y'all. There's our other fire pit. There's my... I mean, these are... Goodness, they are ready. Look at them. Oh, yeah. You're right, babe. Y'all see them? Look up here, y'all. They are ready to be picked. I guess you could make some wine with this. And it's just this side, and then you go around the whole backside. There's a, all the way down here. Let me show you how long it is. I'll go to this end and show you. That's my swing over there, y'all. That's my spot right there. So it's all the way down there. And then that's our other fountain, y'all. The other one's lit up. That one's not lit, and the one over there is lit. That's the one you can see from the house. But then you got to go all the way down the backside too. Yeah. Maybe I will try to make some jelly. Y'all get on here and give me, is there an easy way to make it? Anyway, just telling y'all good morning, trying the new Alani, and picking some muscadines that I'm not going to eat. Love y'all.